Good morning, students. Welcome back to our online class. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, metric measures. Lesson 10, metric measures. Measurement of length, mass, capacity. In class 3, we have learned various metric measures like kilogram, gram, kilometer, meter, liter, milliliter, etc. Beyond this unit, we have to learn some more units in our class, this 4th standard. The standard unit of length is meter. The unit of length that are greater than meter are kilometer, hectometer, decameter. We add kilo, hecto, deca before the name of the standard unit of length, meter. Kilo means 1000 times. Kilo means 1000 times. Hecto means 100 times. Deca means 10 times. Kilo, hecto, deca, the prefixes. Okay. The units of length that are smaller than the standard unit of meter are decimeter, hectometer, centimeter, and millimeter. Deci, centi, milli, we add before the name of the meter. That is, deci means 10 times, 1/10 times of smaller than the meter. Then centi means 100 times. 100 times. Milli means 1/1000 times. Okay. The standard unit of length is meter. The unit of length that are greater than the meter are kilometer, hectometer, decameter. The short form of kilometer is km. Hectometer is hm. And decameter is dam. And the short form of decimeter is dm. Centimeter cm. Millimeter mm. Okay. Next, the standard unit of mass. Standard unit of mass. Standard unit of mass or weight is gram. The short form of gram is G. The units of mass that are greater than the standard unit of gram is kilogram, kg short form, hectogram, hg short form, and decagram. DAG short form. The unit of mass smaller than the standard unit of gram is decigram. DG short form. Centigram. CG short form. Milligram. That is mg short form. Here also kilo means 1000 times, hecto means 100 times, deca means 10 times. We add kilo, hecto, deca before the name of the standard unit gram, that is prefixes. Deci, centi, milli, you add before the name of the standard unit of mass gram. That deci means 10th times, centi means 100 times, milli means 1000 times. Standard unit of capacity is liter. Short form of liter is L. Okay, the unit of length greater than this standard unit of liter are kiloliter, hectoliter and decaliter. Short form is KL, HL, DAL. Kilo, hecto, deca we add before the name of liter, that is prefixes. Next, deci, the unit of length smaller than the liter are deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. Here short form of deciliter is DL, centiliter is CL and milliliter is ML. Deci, centi, milli, the prefixes of prefixes. We add before the name of the standard unit of length liter. Deci, centi, milli. This is 1000 times, 100 times, deca means 10 times, deci means 10th times, centi means 100 times and milli means 1000 times, smaller than the liter. Next, place value system of metric measures. Place value system of metric measures. Here, ones column, tens, hundred, thousand. Here, 10, hundredth, thousand. Place value of each units help in determining the relation between the units. The standard unit of, we know that the standard unit of length is meter. That you written on the ones column. The standard unit of length is meter. That you written on the ones column, meter. As we move the left tens column, you write 10. That is 10 times bigger than the meter. Then 100 column you write 100. Then 1000 column you write 1000. That means 10 times bigger than the meter. That is decameter, D-A-M, decameter. Deca means decameter. Deca means 10 times greater than the meter. DAM. Next, hectometer. Hectometer. That is HT. That is 100 times bigger than the meter. Then HM. Next, kilometer. Kilometer means km. That is 1000 times greater than the meter. Here, as we move right to the standard unit of meter, here you write 1. 1's column 1. Then this is 1/10. 1 by 10. That is deci means 10 times. Decimeter. Decimeter. Short form DM. Next, 100 times 1 by 100 times smaller than the meter. That is centimeter. Centimeter. Then last, 1000 times smaller than the meter. That is 1 by 1000. 1000, hundreds, tens. That is millimeter. Millimeter. Okay. Here, that the standard unit of mass is gram. Next, this is length. Then standard unit of mass is gram. That you written on the ones column gram. Then decigram, DAG, hectogram, HG, kilogram, kg. Next, decigram, DG, centigram, CG, milligram, mg. As we move left, the 10 times, 100 times and 1000 times greater than the standard unit. As we move right, 10 times, 100 times and 1000 times smaller than the standard unit of mass. Then standard unit of liter is, standard unit of capacity is liter. That is, that you written on the ones column, then tens column, DAL, deciliter, HL, hectoliter, KL, kiloliter. Then DL, deciliter, CL, centiliter, ML, milliliter. Okay. When you convert the higher unit to lower unit, you multiply. Here, when kilometer convert into meter, you multiply. This is highest unit to smallest unit. Higher kilometer to millimeter. You convert. You multiply. Kilometer to decimeter. You multiply. When larger unit to convert into smaller unit, you multiply. Then when you the higher unit to smaller unit to higher unit, you divide. When we convert smaller unit to higher unit, you divide. Okay. Here 1 decameter, 10 meter. 1 decameter, 1 decameter, 10 meter. Then 1 hectometer, 100 meter. Then 1 kilometer, 1000 meter. Okay. Next, 1 meter, 10 decimeter, 1 meter, 100 centimeter, then 1 meter, 1000 millimeter. Okay, you study this table, then only we can convert easily one number to smaller unit to higher unit and higher unit to smaller unit. You study this 1 decameter, 10 meter, 1 hectometer, 100 meter, 1 kilometer, 1000 meter. 1 meter, 10 decimeter, 1 meter, 100 centimeter, 1 meter, 1000 millimeter. Just like 1 decigram, 10 gram, 1 hectogram, 100 gram, 1 kilogram, 1000 gram. 1 gram, 10 decigram, 1 gram, 100 centigram, and 1 gram, 1000 milligram. Okay, this is the unit of mass. Then unit of capacity, here instead of gram you write 1 deciliter, 10 liter, 1 decaliter, 10 liter, 1 hectoliter, 100 liter, 1 kiloliter, 1000 liter. 1 liter, 10 deciliter, DL, 1 liter, 100 centiliter, CL, 1 liter, 1000 milliliter. Okay, you study this well. Then convert into bigger unit to smaller unit. The question is 72 kilo, convert 72 kilometer to meter. 72 kilometer to meter. Here we convert kilometer to meter. Kilometer is higher unit, meter is lower unit. So when we convert higher unit to lower unit, you multiply. 1 kilometer, we know that 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. 1 kilometer, 1000 meter. Therefore, 72 kilometer equal 72 into 1000. That is, we add 3 zeros the right side of this given number. 72, 3 zeros. 72,000 meter. Okay. Kilometer. One here. This is in a kilometer column. This is in a meter column. From kilometer to meter, 1 kilometer, 1000 meter. 1, 2, 3, 4 column. When 4 column is coming, you multiply with 1000. Next, convert 14 centimeter to millimeter. Convert 14 centimeter to millimeter. Here centimeter is higher unit. Here centimeter to millimeter. Centimeter to millimeter. 1 centimeter. How many millimeter? 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter. Therefore, 14 centimeter equal 14 into 10. That is 140 millimeter. 140 millimeter. Next one is convert 7 meter 90 centimeter to centimeter. 7 meter 90 centimeter to centimeter. You meter you convert into centimeter. Meter is highest unit. Centimeter is smallest unit. So you multiply. We know that 1 meter equal how many centimeter? Here in meter column. Here is in a, this is in meter column. This is a centimeter. From meter to centimeter. You 1, 2, 3 column. You multiply with 100. 1 meter 100 centimeter. Therefore, 7 meter 90 centimeter equal 7 into 100 plus 90 centimeter. That is 7 into 100, 700 plus this 90 centimeter equals 790 centimeter. Next one is convert 7 meter to decimeter. Convert 7 meter to decimeter. 7 meter to decimeter. From meter to decimeter, meter to here meter column. From decimeter, 2 column. So you have to multiply with the 10. 1 meter equal 10 decimeter. Therefore, 7 meter equal 7 into 10. That is 70 decimeter. Okay. Next, convert 11 kilogram to grams. Convert 11 kilogram to grams. Here 11 kilogram. Here kilogram is higher unit, gram is smaller unit. From kilogram to gram. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kilogram in 1000 times greater than gram. So 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. Or we can count the column. You study the units from higher to smallest orderly. You can count the column. That is one of the clue. From kilogram to gram, how many column? Kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4 column. In 4 column, you have to multiply with 1000. If it is hectogram to decigram, 2 column, you multiply with 10. When 2 column, you multiply with 10. In 4 column, you multiply with 1000. In 3 column, you multiply with 100. That is one of the clue. Otherwise, you learn 1 kilometer equal. Here 11 kilogram to gram. Kilogram to gram. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 column. So you can multiply with 4. Kilogram highest unit, gram is smallest unit. So 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. So 11 kilogram equal 11 into 1000. That is 11,000 gram. Okay. One more example. Convert 43 gram to milligram. 43. Convert 43 gram to milligram. Here you count it from gram. Here gram to milligram. How many column? 1, 2, 3, 4. From gram to milligram. 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 column, we can know that 1 gram equal 1000 milligram. Therefore, 43 gram equal 43 into 1000. That is 43,000 milligram. Okay. Next one is convert 65 liter to milliliter. 65 liter to milliliter. Here liter is highest unit, milliliter is smallest unit. From liter to milliliter, here is liter column, liter 1, 2, 3, 4 column. Then 4 column you multiply with 1000. 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter. So 65 liter equal 65 into 1000 equal 65,000 milliliter. Okay. Next you convert a smaller unit to higher unit. (392 centimeter into meter and centimeter). Here you convert the centimeter to meter and centimeter. Centimeter to meter. Here centimeter is smaller unit, meter is higher unit. So you divide. Here centimeter. Here centimeter you convert into meter. Centimeter in the meter. How many column? 1, 2, 3. So you divide with 100. Here we know that 100 centimeter equal 1 meter. Therefore 1 centimeter equal 1 by 100 meter. 1 by 100 meter. So therefore 392 centimeter equal 392 into 1 by 100. That means 392 divided 100. In fractions lesson we learned that whole number divided with a fractional number, you divide whole number and a denominator. 392 divided with 100. Instead of dividing 100, you can here we count the number of zeros, 2 zeros. You can move from right towards the left 2 place. After that you can put one dot, 3.92. 3.92, that is 3 meter and the remaining 92 centimeter. 92 centimeter. Okay. Next one. Convert 142 millimeter to centimeter and convert 142 millimeter to centimeter and millimeter. Centimeter and millimeter. Here millimeter to centimeter. millimeter to centimeter. How many column? 2 column. So you can divide with 100. That means 1 millimeter equal 1 by 10 centimeter. 1 millimeter equal 1 by 10 centimeter. Therefore, 142 millimeter equal 142 into 1 by 10. That means 142 divided 10. Here how many zeros for the divisor? 1 zero. So you can move from right to left 1 place and put one dot 14.2. That means 14 centimeter and 2 millimeter. Next one is convert 8,296 meter to kilometer. Here meter is smallest unit, kilometer is highest unit. So you divide from meter to kilometer. Meter to kilometer. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you divide with 1000. 1 meter equal 1 by 1000 kilometer. Therefore, 8,296 meter equal 8,296 into 1 by 1000. So, 8,296 divided 1000. Okay. How many zeros here? 3 zero. From right towards left, you place 3, 1, 2, 3 place, then put decimal and 8.296. That is 8 kilometer. 8 kilometer and remaining 296 meter. Next one is milliliter. Convert 7,000 milliliter to liter. Here 1 milliliter equal 1 by 1000 liter. Milliliter to liter. Here milliliter. Milliliter to liter. 1, 2, 3, 4 column. So you divide with 4. 1000. So 7,000 into 1 by 1000 equal 7,000 divided 1000. That is 7.000. That means 7,000 milliliter equals 7 liter. Next one is 95,000. Convert 95,425 milliliter to liter and milliliter. Here also you divide with 1000 milliliter to liter. So 95,425 into 1 by 1000. That is 95,425 divided 1000 move 3 places. 1, 2, 3. 95.425. That means 95 liter, 425 milliliter.